What's up everyone, Sri Kanasa here, and today we're going to be talking about how you should be pricing your items so that they're bound to sell. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and join our family because it's growing super fast. I'm providing value basically every other day. And I mean, why not join a YouTube channel where you get quality value basically every single day? Let me know down in the comment section what kind of videos you guys want to be seeing so that I could put those out and help you in return. So let's jump right into it. So I have a Excel sheet over here opened up, and for this process you can use Google Excel Sheets, Microsoft Word, whatever you want to use and what you're comfortable with to record your item names and your profit margins and everything that you need to know in order to have successful Facebook ads or even Instagram influencer ads. Now, if you know me, you know that I like to be very organized and I like to know my exact profit and where exactly my money is going to the cent. And this just helps me stay organized and know how much I'm spending on ads, how much I'm spending on the items, etc. So I have found that this is a very helpful strategy, which is to write down everything that you can about your items as I have organized the columns here, just so it helps you in return. So I have 5 columns opened up over here, which is item name, item cost, profit after the fees, margin, and spend. I'm going to be going over around 3 to 4 items, and I'll be showing you exactly how I go through the process of writing all this data down so I can exactly price my items correctly and have it sell a lot. And this is exactly the way I have crossed into 6 figures by staying organized and knowing exactly where my money is going and how I should be pricing my items. So let's jump right into it and find some items on AliExpress. AliExpress opened up here, and we're gonna be using 3 random items, and just so I can show you the process of how I do it. So let's just scroll down and see what we can find. So let's just use this as an example, and this seems to be, oh, these are just deals. So let's just click on this auto tire pressure monitor, and this is opened up. So this is selling a lot. It has 7,000 orders and a lot of good reviews too, so this supplier is a good one. And let's see how much they charge for everything. So whenever I price my items, I always include the shipping price as well. So let's see what shipping options this supplier offers. So FedEx, EMS. Oh, it looks like they don't do e-packet. That sucks. I always use suppliers and items that have e-packet in them. But let's just say that we were gonna use this one, even though it doesn't have e-packet because it's selling a lot. So what I would do then is just copy and paste the name of the item into our Excel sheet. So auto tire pressure monitor. Let's just open that up and just paste it in there. Alright, that's good. And we can see that it costs $3.66 including the shipping. So that's what we're gonna write. So $3.66. Alright, so now comes the pricing. So if you have watched some of my last videos, I have mentioned one book a lot which I have read and it has influenced my life a lot, which is E-Commerce Evolved by Tanner Larson. And in this book he goes over a lot of strategies, and it's definitely one you should be reading if you want to be successful. But one main thing he goes over regarding pricing is the 3 times markup. And what this basically means is multiplying your item cost by 3 and then pricing it that much on your shop. So since this is $3.66, what we would do is do $3.66 times 3. So let me open a calculator really quick. $3.66 times 3 is $10.98. But just for professionalism, what I like to do is if it's over like a $9.99 or $14.99, you know, the generic prices which everyone basically prices, what I like to do is round down to that price. So since this is $10.98, what I would do is just go ahead and price this at $9.99. And as you can see, this column is for profit after fees. So what you want to do is calculate how much profit you're going to be making with this. So if we open up my calculator once again, $9.99 times 0.029, which is 0.28971, minus 9.99, and then add the 30-cent fee. So you'll be making $9.40 of profit. So that's what you want to write here. And basically now that it's done, we want to come over to the margin, which is the profit margin. And once again, just take $9.40 and subtract that by $3.66, and your profit margin is $5.74. So just write that down. And now we have completed almost 90% of our chart. The last column is spend. And in this column, we're going to be writing how much we can spend on advertising for Facebook before we shut down each ad set. And that answer to this column is this one right here, which is $5.74. Basically, what this column means is that you can spend $5.74 on a specific ad set, and if it crosses this amount and you still have no sales, you should definitely stop that ad set right away because it is not profitable for you. And this is a mistake a lot of beginners do. They keep the ad sets running for 2 days or 3 days, and this is not beneficial for your own profit. So you want to immediately stop this ad set maybe after $6 spend, and just trash that, delete that ad set forever because it is not profitable. Alright, so now that we have our first item done, let's go and find 2-3 more items. So just close that out and let's see what else you have to offer. Let's do a high ticket item this time. I want to do high ticket. So let's go to home and garden and see what's a little high priced. I'll come back to you guys after I find a high priced item. Alright, so I found a bedding set. And of course, bedding sets are expensive. And as you can see, this one is around $29 to $49 per set. Now, if we just click on one size, which is AU single, let's see how much that costs. So it costs $29, and then let's check the shipping and see what they offer. And again, this is only AliExpress standard shipping, so let's just take that into consideration. So let's copy the name and paste it, bedding set. Just paste it over here. And the item cost is $29 including shipping. So $29. And for this one, we do know that bedding sets are expensive, but if we try to mark this up by 3 times, it will go almost to $90, and that is very expensive. So in these cases, when it's already a high ticket item, what you want to be doing is maybe do a 2 times markup to 3 times markup. So 29 multiplied by 2 is around $58. So in this case, we may want to price this item at $59.99. So just write that down for reference, $59.99. Now we want to calculate our profits after the fees. Open up my calculator. Let's do this really quick. 59.99 times 0.029. That's 59.99. That's 30. So our profit, as you can see for this item, will be $57.95 after the fees have been paid. So 57.95. And if we subtract this from our item cost, that becomes around $28.95. So that's our margin of $28.95. And even though this is a 2 times markup, this is a very good profit margin. As you can see, for the first item, we did a 3 times markup, but the margin was still lower than this one. So what this means is, again, we can spend $28.95 per ad set, and if it gets no sales, that's when we stop that ad set. So this is a very strategic way to attack pricing your items, and you can just take a screenshot of this bar chart I've created over here and just make a similar one, but this is what you want to be doing whenever you're trying to calculate the profits, how much you should be pricing it at, and what you should be spending on your ads. And let's try to find one more product, something that's mid ticket. Alright, so I have found this egg cooker over here, which is around a mid ticket item, you could say. Around, it's priced at $8.60. And it does have e-packet, which is really good. So we'll be getting this egg cooker for $8.60. So again, copy the name and paste it in your document. And we'll be getting this for $8.60. So again, since this is a somewhat of a lower cost item, under $10, we could apply the 3 times markup. So $8.60 multiplied by 3 is about $25 or so. And that is exactly what we'll be pricing for this item, which is $24.95. And again, these are general prices for your items. You could play around with these prices and see which ones work best and which ones generate you the most amount of sales. But generally, you want to be pricing your items around these specific prices. So this one is $8.60. We're gonna be pricing it at $24.95, and let's calculate the profits. So we'll be getting $23.93 of profit per item sold. And again, you wanna subtract that from the item cost, and it'll be $15.33. Oops, let me write that down there. $15.33. And there you have it, folks. Right away, we were able to generate good prices for these items. And these are very competitive prices because you will see these items getting sold for around these prices as well. And again, be sure to follow this really cool strategy. Just put everything down on screen so you know exactly what you should be spending, how much you should be pricing it at, and I guarantee you that you will find success with the prices that you put on your items, and this will lead you to generate more sales. So like always, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay connected to this family and enjoy this quality content, and I'll see you next time.